ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், நாம் இந்த வீடியோவில் டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ் எம்சி கொஷின்ஸை பற்றி பார்க்கலாம். ப்ரிப்பரிங் ஃபார் டிஆர்பி பாலிடெக்னிக் எக்ஸாம்ஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு வெரி யூஸ்ஃபுல் திஸ் கொஷின்ஸ். ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின், வாட் இஸ் ஏ டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ்? வாட் இஸ் ஏ டேட்டா ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸ்? The address of the variable, subset of all variable, the memory represent of data, the type of the variable. C1 is correct answer. C. The tools for the specifying logical properties of data type. Logical properties of data type, abstract data type. The separate of data structures and their operations from the implementation of the data structures in memory and functions. Memory and functions called data abstraction. Okay, the set of the instance or values is called a data object. The individual instance of a data object are called primitive. The formulae-based representation used to represent the instance of object. Represent the instance of object, a array. Which of the following is a collection of heterogeneous elements? Heterogeneous elements is called structures, not array. So, which data structures used to manage the printer buffer? Stock or queue? Printer buffer. Printer buffer is called the queue. The complexity in terms of machines in cycles of a data structures in measured in term of data structures measured in term of time complexity. Which data structures used in evaluating the mathematical expression? Evaluation of mathematical expression with parameters. With parentheses. Stock or queue or tree or graph. Stock. Which of this following occupy the more memory with some number of elements? Array, single linked list, double linked list. Which one is the correct answer? Double linked list. Occupy the more memory. Okay. Then the logical feature of data type plus the specifications of operations required to create theta manipulated object of this type is known as theta manipulation. Yeah, this is the theta manipulation of type is known as ADT See the answer. So the quick start theta radis sort expert array dash data structures used. Pointed data structures used. Radis, the quick start radis. The counter index generation dash data structures used. Circular queuing. The counter in index generation. The simulation or the implementation using the dash data structures. Q data structures. The data structures you will use if you want to go to the first record from the last and vice versa. The doubly linked circuit list. This one is the correct answer. Data structures used with the first record, the last and vice. The first from the last. Shall of you understood, friends? If this video you like it, subscribe my channel, share your friends. If you want more questions, put it comment section. I daily put 20 questions. Please subscribe my channel, friends. Share your friends. In this video very useful for you, I think. Thank you. Bye.